on how to make use a vocodex and do certain things, but I've not been like fun in learning them. But it's like I would like to visit it. Let me jump run go there. Okay, yeah, we are playing. We can now. Okay. We take this one up. You hear that? We will take this. Yes. You hear something? It's a jump somewhere. It's a jump, right? Like go again, like play with the attack. Let's see. Yeah. Somewhere there. Like try to have a hold. You hear that? No, this is jumping. Now take it down. Like this, a base somewhere, but that base needs to be replaced by something. Somehow the base, we need to reduce that base, but the base is okay for what I was like to do. I wanted to do, maybe I think it's only this, but we'll get into a chorus, not to every part.